love of boating started as a child, as many of us had experiences out on the water when we were younger with family. Whether it's being on the water or going to new locations, seeing new places, I really enjoy being able to share that with my children now.
I love boating because it reminds me of so much, being around family, friends, and it is a place where you create memories. It is so much fun to relax and let loose.
Boating is a lifestyle. It's a unique experience to be out on the water and see your friends or fellow MarineMax family members.
I just love the freedom to it. Once you get out on the water, you can kind of leave everything that you have to deal with on land, enjoy the waves, get out and have a cruise, and it's just the freedom behind it.
Core values of MarineMax is what really sets every single employee in the organization is there striving to exceed the customer's expectations in any way, shape, or form.
Being a one-stop shop makes it easy for you. You're part of the family. It sounds corny, but you actually do become part of the family when you buy a boat from MarineMax. There's no running to this store or that store or having to go search for insurance here or there or whatever. I mean, everything is handled under one roof.
It is a one-stop shop. You start with the sale, but you don't have to worry about who am I going to call for financing, who am I going to call for service. You really don't have to worry about or try to figure out who you're going to call. You know MarineMax has you taken care of.
With MarineMax, we try to focus on the entire lifestyle of boating. And one of the key components of the lifestyle of boating is where you store your boat and how you service your boat. It's a turnkey solution.
We provide everything service-wise, anything and everything, whether that be electronic issues, engine issues, from bottom paint or fiberglass, we do it all.
So some of the MarineMax stores have marinas. Not only can we service them, we can also store your boat. MarineMax has got an app, so you can go right onto the app and you top it off full of fuel. It's all done right there, and you'll get a confirmation. It's super simple.
When purchasing a boat from MarineMax, we are providing so much more than just your boat. We are providing getaways, events, classes. Events and getaways are exciting because you get to meet different boaters and interact with them, and it gives you exposure to different areas and new adventures that you wouldn't typically be doing on your own.
MarineMax, we really strive to provide you with a one-stop buying experience. In the business office, we offer everything from financing to insurance to extended protection on your vessel. We even handle all of your title and registration for you. So we really try to take that to the next level on your behalf.
Really effective communication between teams, between department is what really sets us apart and provides the success we're looking for.
Our mission is to provide the world's best pleasure boating experience
By consistently exceeding
the greatest expectations
Of our customers,
Our team members,
And our shareholders.